In this video, I'll show you how to use margin investing with Robinhood Gold step by step. First, open your browser and go to the Robinhood website, then log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on your profile icon and go to the Settings section. From there, select Robinhood Gold and make sure your subscription is active. Next, look for the margin investing option and turn it on if it's not already enabled. You may need to review and accept the terms before continuing. After that, go back to your dashboard and open any stock page you want to invest in. On the right side, you'll see the order panel. Click on Buy to begin. Now, enter the amount you want to invest. If margin is enabled, Robinhood may allow you to invest more than your available cash by borrowing funds. Continue by clicking Review Order, then check the details carefully, including how much of your order is using margin. If everything looks good, click on a Submit Buy to place your trade. Keep in mind that margin investing involves borrowing money and may include interest and higher risk. You can monitor your margin usage anytime from your account or portfolio section. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials.